Hello everyone, this is Nay. Welcome back to Nay TV. In today's video, I'd like to teach you how to pronounce the months of the year in American English. Let's do this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Blue, blah, flu, flank.
Good job.
Thank you.
January, January, January. February, February, February. March, March, March. April, April, April. May, May, May. June, June, June. July, July, July. August, August, August. September, September, September. October, October, October. November, November, November. December, December, December. Did you find this video helpful? Please subscribe sa akong channel ug tan-aw po ng iba na akong mga videos. Sa sunod na pod, God bless you.